Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the best guide for recording an event using your Panasonic camera. So here, as you can see, I'm going to show you some best things. As you can see, if we tap this thing over here, we can see Intelligent Audio Plus, but we need to tap this firmly. Or, as you can see, we have some other modes. But the thing that will be the best for us is manual. The manual mode is the mode where we can actually change everything during our video. And if you're recording some wedding, conference, or live recording, the best is to adjust the focus manually during the recording. So as you can see here, in this mode, manual mode, we can change the iris, shutter speed, white balance, and focus, and even more using these arrows, but we need to tap more firmly. As you can see menu, we have here the standard one, and that's how it actually works. White balance, from automatic we can increase or decrease it, and focus, etc. So that is the thing about here, the focus and how to record. Now let's move to the more complex thing, like battery. Prepare yourself more than 2 or 3 batteries. We don't want here HDR instead of the turn off. Here we have button to turn off our camera. Okay, so prepare yourself 2 or 3 batteries, and as you can see now, to remove the battery from your camera, you need to tap here maybe not tap, but you need to do something like this with this arrow, as you can see, with this toggle, and just take out the battery from here like this. That's how it works. To put it back, just do what you have done earlier, but with extreme caution because this is a not cheap camera. Now we are done. Task number 3. Prepare yourself. I don't like this no card. Number 3. Prepare yourself. Apart from plenty of batteries, you need to prepare yourself a charger. You need to charge your camera and your everything you have, right? Your accumulators, your batteries, everything. You need to just charge it, and if you just prepare yourself one cable and some charging dock, you'll be just lost, and I don't really recommend that. And number 4, prepare yourself many SD cards or one big. I do actually prefer many SD cards because it's just nice. It feels better, it feels smoother, and if one breaks, not the whole your project breaks, just half of it, or maybe one quarter or something like that. It's just better to lose a part of the recording than whole recording. And the final thing, if you want to coordinate, try to not record your colleagues, try to not record your partners. Just record only the main thing that you see, and you'll be good to go. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.